Mr. Mnisi?
To the court, my lord. Mr. Tsiye,
Yes, sir.
you said in 2020 you were seconded to the cold case unit upon request by Mr. Kiminda. Are you still part of that unit?
No, currently I'm working at the serious corruption offences at the DPCI.
Manje ke wena uthe ngo-2020 uye wabizwa kule unit le ebizwa phecelezi i-cold case uthi usase kuyona uthi cha okwamanje ngiye ngabizwa ukuthi ngizosebenza ngakumacala abucayi.
So you're not privy to the outcome. I mean, you're not privy with the outcome of the investigation that you did on the 30th of June 2020. You don't know what the outcome of your investigations were.
No, I have no idea on what's going on with the investigation currently, as I'm doing something different from this type of investigation.
Manje ke wena awuzange uthole ulwazi noma impendulo yokuthi lo liyaphenyo lwakho kwakade imiphumela ithini uthi cha anginayo leyo mpendulo yayo imiphumela ukuthi ngemva kwalokho kuye kwathiwani ngoyinxa yokuthi mina sengisebenza ngakwelinye ihlangothi.
Thank you. My lord, may I quickly approach
Yes.
Mr. Mngube just to find a thing or two?
My lord, may I also seize this opportunity to approach
Yes, no
Mr.
problem.
Mapisa? Thank you. As it is the court, my lord, I've got no further question to you.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Mamalo?
Thank you, my lord. I have no questions. Thank you.
Mnyeki?
As it pleases the court, I have no questions, ma'am.
Re-exam?
Nothing. Thank you, my lord.
I have a question. You mentioned in terms of the first Bucos investigation of the 30th of June, right?
Yes.
You mentioned that accused, is it accused number
1, 2, 3.
number 3? Ne?
Yes.
He didn't have an ID on his person.
Yes.
He gave you his date of birth,
Yes.
but you don't mention the date of birth.
Oh, it's written, sorry, my lord. It's written in the DBA. The date of birth that was given to me, it was 1984-04-03.
Yeah, it may look minor, but it's serious stuff.
Thank you, my lord.
Even about Mr. Mapisa.
And then about Mr.
You mentioned
Mapisa.
that he had an ID, but you don't mention the ID number.
No, my apologies, my lord.
No, fine.
Yeah.
We're all learning.
Okay. The ID number of Mr. Mapisa, it's 85 04 04 62 02 081.
Okay, thank
Manje
you.
inkantolo ithi idinga incazelo la umnumzana uye wakhuluma ukuthi umnumzana uNcube bekade engenayo i-ID nombolo akamnikanga noyona inombolo yakhe yozaziso umnike i-date of birth. Inkantolo ithi awuyishongo leyo date of birth. Uyibhalile na? Uthi yebo ngiyibhalile nayi i-1984 04 03 futhi uthi ke neyaka mnumzana uMaphisa ushilo ukuthi ukunikile iID number kodwa awuzange uyisho ukuthi ithini iID number. Uthi na iID number u8504 04 6202 081.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, my lord.
Is that, hello, Mr. Malo? Is that,
As a court,
I
please, my lord.
see the accused are raising their hands.
yes?
Both of them.
My lord, I see that Mr. Mapisa's hand is up. May I
Okay.
request indulgence to approach him?
Yeah, fine, fine.
Thank you.
They want to dispute. If they dispute, it's not a problem. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
My lord, it's just a minor correction on the
Yeah.
ID number.
ID number.
Yes.
Minor correction. What's
Yeah,
the
it's a
correction?
minor correction. Sergeant,
Yes, sir.
I'm instructed by the accused that his ID number is 8510 04 62 02081.
Just want to show you something. We're gonna look at here.
So it is not 85.
This one is the same with the one as well. Okay. Yes, my lord.
0404.
Okay. My response will be to Mr. Mapisa's ID number. Remember, he started by giving me the date of birth, which was 1985-0404.
Right.
And then later, the ID number that was provided, it was 85, that is written on the DBA, 851046202081, which confirms what you've just said now. It means it's the same ID.
Uthi ke manje ummeli uthi kunenguqukonyana encane ukuthi ufuna ukuyenza ukubonisa ukuthi kunempazamo ayenzile. Uthi ke uSergeant uma ephendula uqale ngokumnika i-date of birth ebekade ku 1983 0404. Manje ke kwi-ID
1985.
1985, my lord, sorry. I'm thinking of mine. Uthi ke ku ID number umnike u8510 04 62 02081. Uthi iyafana nale iID number iyafana nale eshiwo ummeli kodwa i-date of birth iyona ukuthi ihluke kancane ngoba uqale ngokumnika i-date of birth kodwa le ibhalwe ngale ndlela ummeli ayisho ngayo.
Okay.
My Lord, also we must take into consideration, based on the experience that I have with my investigation, I would say criminals, they have this game of playing shenanigans with us.
Who are
Giving
criminals?
you wrong information, and then when they go to court, they want to say,
Now withdraw,
this is
the,
not my
withdraw the
idea.
criminal story.
No.
Some persons.
Oh, yeah.
No,
yeah.
mine is not
Sorry
a
to say.
criminal.
Yeah, no, okay. Yeah, I mean, they will provide you with wrong information, and then when it comes to court, they want to change as if you are the one who took the wrong information. That is why now a fingerprint plays a big role in this investigation. Because of that one, you cannot dispute.
Yeah, but my client is not one of those persons. The fact is that the ID number that I've provided to you have confirmed that it is the ID number that he gave you at Luiko prison
Yeah, remember I
on the
didn't-
6th of July, 2020.
Yes, remember I
So
didn't
there is no
have a-
transmesh about that. I just wanted to correct that. Thank you.
Yeah, but remember, I didn't have a true copy to say that was the right ID number where it was given. It was just provided from his mouth, verbally. That's all. Thank you.
Manje ke uyachaza ke usajeni uthi abanye abantu banokuthi banike amaphoyisa imininingwane ekungasiyona eyeqiniso ukuze uma befika enkantolo bafike baguquke bathi lento ewuyishoyo sajeni akusiyona into emina ngikade ngikutshele yona. Mnumzana uNxumalo uthi cha, lo omina ngimmele akusiwo omunye walabo bantu, lo ongimmele ukunike imininingwana ekade kuyiyona eyeqiniso. Uthi nangokho akusiyona udaba olukhulu kangako, kulungile njengoba usho ukuthi ibhaliwe iID nombolo ibhalwe ngalendlela ebengikade ngiyisho ngakhona.
Thanks. When were you born? And I want to tell you a joke about us who were born in the 40s, how we were treated when we applied for the reference books. When were you born?
1984, 1106.
Okay, fine. My ID number, I can show it to you. It says I was born in 1917. I was born in 1947, the 17th of March, 1947, when I told the administrative officer, he had already written 1917. I don't know why. But he just left it at that. Look at the date of the Morsi. And I have a friend, he's late now. Mr. Mnisi may know him. Koki Chochalemajwe, he's late. He was a famous actor and comedian, internationally known. He's known as Two Bull. When he gave his name to the administrative officer, he said, he's Koki Chochalemajwe. And then this guy looked at him. I said, what? I'm going to say the explicit. You are Two Bull. You are Koki Two Bull. And from that day, on his ID, he was Koki Two Bull. That's just a brief history of how we grew up. Two Bull. You are Two Bull. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, my lord.
But you also worked for one of the radio stations in Gauteng.
Yeah. No, we used to go to Albert Street where the 70 odd people died. That's where you used to get your ID book there. And there was a humiliating physical examination which you had to undergo. The doctors there didn't touch you. Go there, you strip, you have your clothes on yourself, and then they say to you, you must trouser. You know what's it to trouser?
To strip.
No, they want to see whatever is in your anus. So you must trouser. They look at you there.
Sure.
So when people talk about, hey, apartheid, some of us experience these things. Mangele, Mr. Muhammad.
The court, please